So I hung the door again now that I have the outside skin on. I wanted to check the fitment, the lines, and see how everything looks. So I think the look came out pretty good. Now this side is the side you'll see the most. And I think that'll work good. Still got to put the primer on it, finish it up. Closes good, no spots where it's hitting. I mean, it's staying where I put it. Did a little rust prevention over here. This is normally where the mirror goes. You notice a little spot here. There was a little rust starting on the outside, so I brushed it off and I put a rust converter on it, and it turns it black. That used to be the rust, and it chemically mixes with it and does this till it turns it black. So I'll finish that up later. Still got some more work to do on the door, but just checking out the fit. It came out pretty good. That was my first door, so doing the skins inside and outside. So that's it, getting there. A few more things to it and I'll put a coat of primer on it.